Hello guys. I have spoken before about some kind of an account. It's called Roth IRA, and a lot of people they get interested in this account because I will just explain to you why. Most of the people they know that when you trade, if you make money during the year, you will get to pay tax on these profits. Now, if you get a loss, you can claim until I think $3,000. You can claim them, and they will be taken from your whole money in tax. So in order to understand this very well, you should go to your tax preparer if you are using one, and you ask him questions about this, about tax, about profits. But this account, which is called Roth IRA, if you are, I think, under 50, you can put 5,500 a year. Now, there are a lot of people that they have a lot of money, okay? And they say, someone said to me, oh, 5,500 is just little. Okay, it's not a big deal. But here I'm speaking about the majority of Americans here who they don't have that much money. So if you open an individual account, what's the difference between individual account and this Roth IRA? Individual account, the money that you use, they are taxed, right? Okay, so let's, for example, you try to save, let's say during the year you save 1,000 or 2,000. Let's say you save, just an example, okay, $5,500, just an example. And you open an account and you begin to trade. If you make any profits, these profits will be taxed. Okay? Now, if you are having a Roth IRA, this 5,500, if you make a profit, you will not be taxed. Especially when you it means during all the life of this account, you will not pay tax. It's just because this is just an opportunity of the IRS that give to the people, but most of the people, they don't know it, and I don't know, they don't use it. Some they don't know about it, some they are scared to use it. I don't know, it's just something. But I have some questions, that's why I want to clarify. Okay? And believe me, I think the only restriction is that they ask you not to take your money for 5 years. You can ask your tax preparer if you want to do this account. You can ask your tax preparer all the rules about this. At least you will have clear idea. For me, I'm trying to give you a general thing that will help you not to pay tax, especially if you make money from your account. But understand that this is for each year. If you have an individual account, whatever profits you have, you will be taxed that year. If you have a Roth IRA, you will not be taxed. And you shouldn't take your money, I think, for 5 years. Then after that, if you want to take your money, they let you withdraw only the money that you put, not the profits. The profits stays until you were like 59, I think, in 6 months. Okay, like the retirement age. It is just a way that they want to stop people from taking some of the money. But the profits, you know, it's not a big deal. But understand that in this account, if each year you put 5,500, if you are married or you have a girlfriend or wherever, she will put the same. So you can, after 10 years, 20 years, you can make and you can have a lot of money, and this money you can, let's say, buy a house or finish buying a house or buying cars or whatever you want to do with this money, or you leave this money for retirement. Okay, the good thing, it is not taxed, while other people, individual account, they are taxed. Each year they are taxed. Whenever you have profit, they are taxed. Okay, so this is just to make sure that in America, that the people take advantage of opportunities that the IRS give, because these things that I am saying here, it will never be taught in any way in the school or outside the school. Some people they send me emails. They say, "Oh, it's impossible. How can you make an account and you make profit and you don't pay tax?" This is not what we know, and I think it's not. But I asked them, okay, to make sure of things, go to your tax preparer, ask him questions about Roth IRA, not a Roth traditional. Okay, Roth traditional is not. It's like the 401k. Okay, so it's not. I'm speaking about Roth IRA, where you use your taxed money. For example, you have a tax refund. You do your tax each year. You have tax refund, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. You put them in this account, and you just buy stocks. It's like a normal account. It means you buy stocks, you sell stocks, you do whatever you want. Okay? Now, it's just an opportunity to build wealth without being taxed. Now, if you have an individual account, if you make money, you will be taxed. But if you lose money, and I think until $3,000, you can claim that. Okay? So, if you are interested, okay, my broker has Roth IRA, and he has a lot of accounts. I have spoken about accounts. If you are interested, please send me an email. I will send you a link from my broker, and you can just make one. But before that, you can ask your tax preparer, and you tell him, okay, what's this Roth IRA, and how does it work, and how much money I put. But understand that it is not now. You should do it. You should open the account before the, I think, 15th of April. But since now we are in October, so this year is done. So you should wait until 2017. Next year, beginning of the year, when you do the tax, and then you can ask your tax preparer, and you can make an account. It's just an account like any other account, but there is specific thing about this. That's why always in my channel, whenever I have something which is crucial and it can benefit anyone, I will share. Okay? I don't ask people to do things. No, I will ask them to get more information about what I tell. Like this one. You just get more education. Because understand that in our system, in the United States of America, there is no education. Yes, there are things that are online, but no one educates people. For example, in the school, they don't educate them about these things. Okay? They don't educate. It means we have the whole system, but it doesn't. If you are specialized, you go to do a degree in finance, or yes, you will study all these things into details and you understand everything. But if you are a common people, like the common class in America, most of the people, they have no idea. For example, the 401k, I ask people just like this, They told me they have never seen their 401k, never. They don't know even how much money they have. They have never checked which mutual funds their money is put in. They will never know anything. It's something from the company. They put your money there, and that's it. When you ask, and it's not something that you ask human resources to tell you information, because these things has a relation with brokers. So you should tell your, let's say, your human resources, and you ask him or her about your 401k, and then she give you the website or customer service, and then you enter and you see how much money you have, where is your money put into the mutual funds or bonds or whatever, because those guys who manage the 401k, they do what is good for them, not something good for you. Understand that, okay? Because when you want to do all this stuff, you sign papers that this thing has a risk. That's it. But you have the ability to check your account to see mutual funds. I have spoken with some people. They send me emails, but people are in majority of the people are ignorant in the sense that it's their money, and they don't know where is your money, where is their money is invested in. And it is crucial. Sometimes you find a mutual fund that it is a loser. It is 10 years and it is -7 or -10%. It means you are putting money, and this mutual fund is losing money each year. I don't know where they put the money, which stocks or which, but they are losers. Okay? And there are a lot of fees, so you can check even the fees. There are mutual funds, they have 1%, 2%, 3%. You will never know where they put their money, because understand, these brokers that your company is with, because your company chooses a broker and she works with it. Okay, so this broker do things that benefit him, not you. He can put all your money into a mutual fund that take 3% each year. If the market doesn't do 3%, do 4% or 1%, and they take always 3%, all your money is gone. And you think that your money is growing up, but in reality it's flat or going down. Okay? So all these things that I am talking in my channel, try just, when I say something, just go and check, ask questions, and this will benefit you, and to see clear in your investment or in your future. Because when you are young, you don't check anything, but when you are 60 and you check your 401k and you find that all your money is with losers, the whole 30 years or 40 years of work, your money could be 500,000, but you find only 100,000. Okay? Because the stock market has gone that wild, and it has done good, and your mutual funds, they have not done good. It means there is a problem. So try just to check your things, check this 401k or another investment plan that you have in. Check the fees, check everything. It means try to make it a habit to check and ask questions. Okay? People are scared when you ask questions, especially those 401k and those because they don't want you to speak about these subjects. They are not hidden. I'm telling you, it's not hidden. If you go to a mutual fund in your 401k, let's say your money is put into 3 or 4 mutual funds. It's clear. You go to mutual fund, you see the performance, how much it is getting each year. Is it doing good or is it doing bad? you will see the fees. The fees, it is there. It's okay, it's clear, it's there, but you don't know. And then you will see another mutual fund. Let's say it has 1% of fees, and it's doing 10% each year, like performance. And then you'll see that your money is put into a mutual fund that it is taking 3% of your money each year, and it is a loser. You don't make any money from it. So you see the picture, the whole picture that I am saying to you. It means you should see the whole picture. Where is your investment is going? All of what I talk in this video is just like personal finance. It means try just to see yourself, try to make more saving, because all what you have in your account, in your paycheck or your bank account, when you see the money you will spend it. But when you put some money aside, like an investment or stocks or whatever, or mutual funds, you will see them that you have saved this money for the future. Thank you very much and have a nice day.